Welcome to today's tutorial on locking your BitLocker Drive to protect your data. As we've seen, the BitLocker Drive encryption panel does not provide a lock option for us, and the drive only remains locked when we restart. So here I will introduce two easier ways for you to lock the BitLocker at any time, and don't need to reboot your computer. Way 1. Lock BitLocker encrypted drive with command prompt. First, type CMD in the Windows search box. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to run the CMD as admin. In command prompt window type Manage BitLocker E to lock the drive. Confirm there is no files open, or you may receive an error message. Way 2. Set the BitLocker drive to locked via iSunshare BitLocker Genius. Firstly, download iSunshare BitLocker Genius from official website. Install and run it. Right-click on the specific drive. Choose Lock Drive option. The drive is now in locked status. Once configured, your drive will be securely encrypted, protecting your files from unauthorized access.